Hey guys, welcome back to the neighborhood. Today we're refinishing a nice brown kitchen here in Langley, and super excited about this project here. We're almost ready to spray. We got everything masked off, everything sanded. So right now I'm gonna walk you guys through and show you what we're up to. Super excited about the kitchen that we're refinishing right now. So let's go have a look. Here's how everything looks on the inside. We masked off all the boxes because we are spraying this brown melamine tape. Everything is sanded, everything is cleaned, everything is ready. We protected everything because we're not painting everything, right? The floors, the walls, everything has to stay clean. And yeah, we're pretty much ready to pull the trigger. We're gonna spray the primer first and then the top coat. The top coat is already mixed. The primer is ready. We are just about to hit the start button. Here's how the setup looks on the inside. We are running 2 huge fans at the back right there. So we have really nice airflow in this spray area. Everything is sealed. So there's a living room right behind this plastic wall there. We set up 4 posts going from the floor all the way up to the ceiling, and this nice plastic wall protects everything from fumes, dust, from anything that we have going on here in the spray area. Also, we have these 2 little guys, 2 little fans to help the air move from one side of the kitchen to another, and also, you know, move all the particles of paint whenever we spray. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We didn't mask off the ceilings because we're going to be using our spray shields right here. We'll put them up, and the spray fan will bounce back when you hit the top of the cabinets. I have 2 awesome guys helping me out on this project, which I'm super excited about. They're doing a pretty good job. What else do you guys want to know about this? Drop a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer any of your questions. Maria just walked into the kitchen. Right now it's past 9 p.m. Friday. We just wrapped up and swept the floors, and this is her first reaction. You know, she just saw the kitchen for the first time, the newly refinished kitchen. It's basically brand new stuff. And why wouldn't you tell us, what did you have before here? And what was your plan design-wise? What were you planning to achieve here?
Well, before I just had the 2009 popular tone, which was the brown cherry. And I noticed that my house is just so dark, so I wanted to brighten it up. And I am just so amazed by the quality and the look and just the feel. It's just excellent. I'm so happy. Yeah.
And also we replaced the handles. So before we had this tiny little chrome handles like pools. Yep. And we replaced them. We filled the holes, the old holes, and we put the new hardware up. How do you like it?
I absolutely am so happy. I love it.
Awesome. Any final words for the neighbors around here who's, you know, thinking about refinishing? Because some of the people, you know, actually think about replacing the entire cabinets, the entire kitchen, because they don't like the look of their, you know, old kitchen.
Yeah, they're worried about quality of how it will turn out if they're repainted. And I feel like just the product that you've used is amazing. And they feel, and they look better than what I've had originally. And we purchased the house and we were in new furniture and new cabinets and everything. So I think just go for it. If you've always had that thought in the back of your mind, just do it and be happy.
Awesome. Yeah. Maria, thanks so much for taking the time. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate the kind words. And yeah, another great project finished.
Great.
Awesome. Yes. Thanks so much. Take care, guys.
Bye.